Hi guys!
Come on!
Wait lang, my feet is not kasha. Only you na lang. Hi guys, Baby Rich and Mommy will going to draw.
You choose which ones?
I want the blue one.
But that's for the blue. Oh.
The blue is for the boy.
That's blue for the boy.
And
because
pink.
you need to read it out. You can say it's like blue like your clothes.
Yeah, it's like your clothes. Pink.
And have ribbon.
Yeah, Mommy don't have ribbon.
Joanne, the paper.
And then, what you want Mommy drew?
Circle.
You make a circle. Achoo! Excuse me po. You say.
Excuse me. Mama, you like Baby Rich.
Achoo! Excuse me po. You say like po always, ha? And then, letter A. I will make a letter A. Maybe that's
there's
letter.
one more eyes. There's one more eyes.
Baby, you write A, B, C. What is that? It's a maze?
If it's going to farm. No, I don't like blue.
Why?
I want pink.
Oh, is that a maze? Wow! You have challenges?
Yes, I have challenge.
You challenge Mommy?
Yes, I want pink.
And then, now you write the letter C.
Haha.
No, you should write C like that. And letter B.
Which one pink?
Hala, ABC.
Ako nagsulat niyan.
Ah,
A pa lang ang alam niya eh. Baby, you write letter A. Hindi na kami nakaalis ni Rich sa letter A.
Heart naman ang ginawa. Wow.
How about letter C? Ay, nalaglag siya. Nice.
Why draw pink?
Yeah, it's blue and pink. And then, no.
Of course, you need to put
Baby, pahingi nga ako ng kape kasi yung
because you
notebook.
need to put
Magpapaypay ako.
this one.
What?
Kasi it's still falling down.
Yes.
Ito pa.
Ayan, broken!
Ano yan?
Ayan!
Ay, nako.
Naku. Yohan.
Galit na
No, no,
sa'yo
no,
si
no.
Lula. Ayun,
Look at my
nalaglag.
donut. Oh no.
The takulob is pulled down. Yuhan, naiirit pa eh.
Don't get my donuts.
It's mine.
It's mine, that's not yours. This one is blueberry mine. But that's not yours.
I
That's
will watch you.
no, you can trust for me because I am big Baby Rich. Kanina.
Baby, you ask, baby, how old are you? Dali.
Rich, how old are you na?
24.
My years old pa, 24 years old. Bukas ba ang ilaw?
Ang liwanag. Bar. Is that scare?
Oh, your tongue is nakalawit.
Hindi, ako eh.
Anak, close your mouth.
You can't.
Ala, ang galing! Nilagay ni Rich po. Tapos po, wow, ano yan?
And,
It's a flower.
and leaves.
Hala, ang galing! Hala, ang galing ni Rich. Nag-drawing siya. I'll show them. Dali. Sunflower yan.
Sunflowers.
Yeah. And then, what's that?
Nose pa. Where's the nose?
Hala, ang galing ni Rich. And draw a tree.
Ilan may mga kaluto ka pa sa kabila?
House.
Wala na. Nilagay ko na dito.
Wala nang mga toy doon.
Wala na.
Trees. So very long. Trees. Going to my frog.
And then,
Then
you make a tree. Big tree.
I will draw Rich face. Beautiful.
Hala. Ano yan, anak? What did you draw? It's that dragon?
Ilan lang ako dito, anak? Ngayon, anak. Ang dahil
you can swap others with the
Pwede naman
flowers.
drawing.
Hindi baby mag-drawing, anak.
Flowers and dragon
Dapat
daw.
kita din yung yung pinadrawing niya.
Hindi nakita eh.
Baby, pakita mo sa camera yung drawing mo.
Make ano naman, big tree.
May drawing niya kagabi.
Ano?
Yung tao.
Tatabi niya
Ako daw. Tapos hingin lang niya isa. Tapos sinigyan ng heart sa gitna. Kasi ako na lobo.
Baby, draw it daw again. Draw Ninong and Ninang. Siya nag-drawing? Tinaroon siya Ate Brock.
Hindi, kailangan isa.
Ko!
Bilog-bilog.
Ganda. Hello!
Tapos tinawin ko sa akin.
Baby, tinan man. Yes, drawing niya daw kagabi.
Tapos pinapaliwanag niya kasi niya. Tapos
Bibe, tingin daw. Who's this? You tell mommy what's this? You draw this one?
Sawang tawa yan.
Bibe, dali!
Nag-aaral kasi ako doon.
Wala, ang galing! Drawing niya si ano?
Si Tatay ata yan.
Si Rich, kagaling mag-drawing. Drawing kagabi.
And
May heart pa sa gitna.
May heart pa sa gitna kasi love. Tapos, what's that? What's that? Ba, nakapalda. Sino yan, Lola? Apa, may palda ang Lola. Tapos, galing ni Rich. Oh, that's my girl. Yan. And then,
Mama.
what? Wow! Oh, show everyone. What's
Mama, you
this?
should put Johan.
Hala, bumakat. Ano yun? Naiyak ang dog.
I will give you main colors.
Baby, you draw mommy, daddy, and baby Rich. And baby Day. Dali. Yada. Draw mo.
Mama, wait the color boy.
Ito pa.
Baby, mga colors.
Dito
I will
yun
show
dami.
you.
Many colors.
Yeah.
Wow.
You draw Lola, Lolo, Johan, Mami, Ninong, and Ninang. Dali, draw daw ikaw. You draw
Don't
Mommy.
follow it, huh?
Yeah.
If you stick in your hand,
Okay.
Friends will stick in your hand. Then it's hot bubble gum.
Okay.
If you stick in your hands.
Ito pa.
Draw.
Thank you.
You daw. You draw Lola. Where's the taklo?
Baby, it's colorful pa.
It's not working.
It's working. Oh. Ito sa'yo, it's working. Look. I will draw ka. Oh.
Why you join my heart?
Oh, I will tanggal.
There's another paper. Go draw.
Ate, ito, bigay mo nga sa kanya ang matinta ito.
This one is
Ayaw.
it's like a rainbow.
Yeah. Draw na.
Yellow, pink,
Very good.
blue.
Very good.
This one
Yes.
and that's
Red.
It's red
Blue, violet.
and violet.
Yeah.
No, it's wrong. It's a violet.
Oh, ay, oo nga.
This one is not working.
Okay.
This one is not working.
It's working, baby. Try it.
Oo
Oh, it's
nga.
not working.
Try this.
Thank you. I should try it.
Okay. Should try it because it's so ganda.
I told you. It's
Oh, it's
me.
working. Wow, what did you draw? What is that? Ow, nasilip pa ang baby. What is that? Hello,
I should get the things away.
it's a jellyfish.
And my pink.
Huh?
I will target the James.
The germs? Hala, it's so hard to finish it. No? The maze?
Look, I will get the James away.
Oh my god. No more James already. It's gone.
Baby, it's working then. Ah,
Na, ano talaga yung
It's
daylight?
ready. Okay.
try it.
Okay.
And then,
This one is too pink.
yeah. Where's the taklo but the other one?
Ay, nakakaluto na.
You want that? I'll go through na.
It's working then. Try it. Look, I will make 3.
Malalaglag na yan. Hindi na kasi.
Look, oh. I draw a pit of chicken. It's working.
Wala ka ba yan? Trikwaryo. Ninig pa naman ang damit na nasuot ko. Your back is wet na.
Sarap!
Mm-mm.
You
Dito ka sa
gonna
mong kumain.
There's no always, Mama.
Yeah. Maybe you want to eat chicken, fried chicken?
Yeah.
Layuhan, what are you doing?
Well, tikman mo. Tignan mo kung buto yan o hindi. Sarap
Harap.
na!
Bakit? Anong marination ma?
Hmm?
Parang tataang Jollibee.
Dapat nagawa ka din ng sauce.
Kahit wala pang sauce na.
Sarap na!
Dahil nagawa kang gravy.
Hmm?
Kaya nga.
I don't have paper. You want... Oh, another paper. Oh,
Pepe.
there's things for you.
Ang pepe.
Come on, paper.
Paper.
Harap baby.
Johan.
The chicken joy. Dali.
Johan, it's my quiet phone.
Hmm?
Where's my crown?
Johan, kay Rich yan.
I wish
Akin to ha.
I can talk.
Harap.
I can talk.
Luto na.
Kare, kain ikaw.
Akin na ka.
Ba't kasi nag-brown out?
Oh, nakaligo ka na?
Hmm. Sarap.
Sarap. Siyempre, ikaw nagluto eh.
Wala na ilagay mga pang gatas. Wala nang gatas.
Johan, it's my
Meron gatas na.
The paper.
Meron tong ano?
No.
Yung
Hindi, may manok pa kasi.
condense.
Condense. Wala iba.
Mommy, can you kuha paper?
Pero may ano doon, yung mushroom,
Can you
wala na.
kuha ba? Paper?
Parang wala.
Mama, can you kuha my paper?
Dili ata meron. Wala ba?
Mushroom, hindi ko makita.
Mama.
Ang dami pang papers. O sayang, anak. Diba? You should not waste anything. You should be,
Polite.
No, I don't like it. Johan, it's my toys.
Johan, get mo na nga.
Ubus na ang
Dalawa
paper
lang.
mo pang college pa yan.
Dali, nakuha mo. Dalawa lang. Be very sad now.
I don't care.
Dali na. Mommy will get. How many you want?
1 million. So
Only 2 lang?
2.
Only 2?
Okay, only one, Mama.
Only 1 lang, ha?
Say that, boys. You just only one, not 2. I said one, kasi.
1 kasi. Only 1 lang, ha?
Okay.
And then,
Cage. And the
you
cage.
use it properly for your
Cage.
drawing.
Kaya na ilan?
Play my berry.
Sarap na.
Nala, susubuan.
Para mo ano eh, nasabog.
Tayo.
Only this, ha?
Mama, dito ka.
Hindi ka siya, mami, diya. Ow.
Yeah.
Ayan. Tapos, Baby Rich will draw Lulu, Lula.
Mitch, ano na ikaw na to?
Hindi pa, ayaw niya pa.
Ayaw niya.
Busog pa eh. You draw Lulu. Lula Meding.
Yeah.
And Mommy and Daddy. And
To go up away,
then,
then you find a key.
okay, go.
Mama, you need to find a
Lagyan mo din
key.
brilliant.
Okay.
Then no.
Kakain na tayo.
From akin na yung isa. Taklob. Game, Mommy will do it. Game.
I love her.
Yan. Next, Mommy naman. From where do you start?
No, dito.
Dito ang start.
Yes. Dito.
The key! I got it! O, diba? Ang galing ko.
So, I saw you, Mama.
Hala! May bumakat.
Wala na.
Mama, this is what you like. You pink? You want pink? Of course, you are the blue and you done it just like baby weeds.
Okay, you draw Baby Day
Because
Day.
you
Dali.
need to be
Hindi ka pa nakain pila.
pink.
Gusto mo
Because
pa?
you need to be patient. No, you don't like it.
Marami pa doon?
Okay,
Okay,
this
I will-
one my pink.
Okay, you draw Mommy
Kasi
ha.
you
Mommy will eat. Mommy
don't
will
like it?
Yeah. Mommy will just go get food, ha? For you and Mommy, ha?
You want this one? Do you want
Blue.
this one blue?
Yes. For Mommy. You draw it properly, ha?
Ikaw pala tapos magana? Ang prito?
Hindi pa. Nga kasi ila. Ila rin ang mga plato. Kumawa lang ng baso. Ay, ng tubig mo.
Kaya na lang matapos yan. Kaya ako na ito tapos ng luto. Ng first night.
Ribs.
Nasa sofa. Ano ba rin? Nasa ibabaw.
Hey! Hey, Ninang, you can draw.
Oh, my.
With the color. And I wish it's in half. And this is all the color.
Ikaw, te?
Mamaya na. Tapos na lang.
Ito ay chicken joy. Baby, you will eat chicken joy, ha? Kain guys, Baby Rich will eat na. Ayun, nalaglag na. Ha?
What I do now?
Dali, eat na. Busog pa ata si Rich ko.